Hi friends, in today's quick learning, we will learn what is pivot table. It is used to analyze the data around center point. There are two advantages of this. It is quick, like pivot table is quick to get the data or analyze the data. It can be errorless. Why errorless? Because it has less manual work. Now to create the pivot table, we need the table header. Table should have header and the data. If you have header and data, then you can create the table. So this is a set of data having month, site, sales, product, quantity and sales. We will select this data. You can select this table like this. And to create a pivot table, you will click under insert pivot table here, or you can create pivot table from here. Okay, insert and pivot table, or you can go for recommend one like from table. Table is already selected, or you can create from external source or from any other file. So we are going with the first option, from table range. We had selected the table, table got selected. Now where you want to create this table, in the new sheet or existing sheet? So let's create this pivot table in the existing sheet somewhere here. Okay, existing sheet. Wait, we will select this option once again. I'm selecting. Okay, click anywhere and pivot. Just click anywhere. Once you select the option as pivot, the Excel will automatically select the table. Now table got selected in the existing sheet. So existing sheet, click under this tab, text box, and then you can click where you want to create the pivot like this. Okay. Once you click, you will get the pivot table options, and these are the pivot table fields. Now you can see all the columns here. In the pivot table fields, you have four options called as filters, column, rows, and values. Values is used for calculation. Rows and columns are used for headers, and filters also if you want to filter as per particular heading or column. So let's create a table. I want to find site wise in a month of Jan how many sales as per the product. Okay, so I want to find site wise. So site comes under this site. I want to filter as per site under filter top here. Then I want for the month of Jan Feb, there are how many sales. So months will come under row, or you can click and it will create that option here. If you don't want, then uncheck, or you can click and drag where you want months. Okay, from months I want the product and quantity products. Okay, so products also comes under this. I will click select the I will create under column like product wise. Okay, then we want the sales value. In a month of Jan, this many products are sold. So in this way you can create pivot. Now let's move to the pivot table options. Here you can see certain fields. Like I want to find out in a month of Jan, I want to know there are how many body lotions sold or how many cakes items are sold. So we want calculation as per the count. For that you will click under that filter tab, or you can right click on those column option. Then you will have option as a value filters. So under value filters you can see option as greater than, less than, top. You can go for that, or you can go for count. Let me just check here. Sum of values. Instead of sum of values, we will do here click, right click, value field setting. Here we will select the option as count. So we want count of sales. So in a month of Jan, two body lotions. In the month of Feb, body lotion 1, cake, dairy, and total is like this. Alright. If you don't want this grand total, then you can right click and you can uncheck that field. Okay. Hide field list, or wait. We will, if you want that field list again, show field list. Grand total. So you can explore those options, pivot table option. If you don't want that, then you can remove that. Auto fit column, update, table fit, display, data, save auto source, totals and filter. Show grand total. This option is there. So you can uncheck that. If you don't want grand total for this row and column wise, then you can remove that. No grand total. So like this, you can see this filter. I'm doing undo. On this filter, we can create a chart. So to create a chart, you will select that field for which you want to create a chart. And simple chart, you can go for any bar chart or line chart. Let's create a small line chart. This seems tedious. Let's move with this one or this, any common. So these are the line chart, common one. As per the data, chart is not looking that great. So we are deleting this chart option. Let explore the chart option in the next sessions. So this was the session for the day in which we had covered how to create a simple pivot using data, and you can analyze that data as per your requirements. So we want to see how, what are the new site sales. So click new and you can select see the options for new. If you want existing site sales, then you can select existing, and all, then you can click under all. It will show both the fields. Thank you.